Hello, welcome to a GibbsCam demonstration from Midwest Cam Solutions. This demonstration is for the deburring process. The deburring process deburrs holes that would eliminate sharp edges from previous cross-drilled holes, and you can cut and deburr the insides of holes. Or any edges that would be needed to deburr from other hole features that were put in, like this edge right here. Well, basically we have to create a tool, and you could use a ball and mill or a burr ball type cutter. A burr ball style would be needed to undercut into a hole. Outer edges can be used with a ball and mill or a burr ball. Once your tool is defining that tool, there's a plug-in in the extras directory for deburring process. And when we select that, it loads in a tile in the process palette that is for deburring. Now, the deburring process is not one of the machining tiles. It's a plug-in deburring process. Now, the process is very simple. It does work in any coordinate system. Your cutting depth would be how far we're going to break the edge into the edge of the part, the burring area. And the overlap is how far you want the outer edge of the tool to exceed past the edge break. For this little cut here that I did, we used a 3/1000 edge break, a lead in and an outline of 20, and a lead in out radius of 10. The approach value is how far you want the tool to back off away, accumulating these values as well. You have your entry exit, your feed rates, and the tolerance. And face selection and edge selection have to be on. You click a face where the edge would be you want to break, and you click the edge. Simply say do it, it'll add the tool path, and you can CPR it and watch it come in and cut it. You can continue on with this process. We can maybe click and do this side, so it goes over and cuts that as well. We have this edge over here that is on this face, and do that edge. We have this edge in this face. You can say do it and add that. You can also even cut an outside edge with this face and do it, and it'll deburr that as well. It's a real slick little tool path strategy building tool. It doesn't require much work to get it working, and you can deburr all your edges without having to do any complicated geometry creation or extracting, just using the edge in the face of any solid model. You can also click the top of this and do that, and maybe this edge. And any post processor would work with the deburring process. It will make a XYZ 3D toolpath, and you can create any coordinate system, any work plane, and when that coordinate system is active, it will respond to the values and machine in those planes. So the Deburr process is there. This is a standard feature for GibbsCam, but you do have to have solids, of course, to utilize a solid model. Hope you enjoyed the little presentation. Thank you, and have a great day.